Welcome to our graphics card showdown. Today, we're diving into a detailed comparison of two powerhouse graphics cards, the GIGABYTE GeForce RTX 5070 Ti Eagle OCSFF and the MSI Gaming RTX 5070 Ti 16G Shadow 3 XOC. Both cards are designed for high-end gaming and professional performance, but they come with unique features that set them apart. Let's explore what each card has to offer. When it comes to cooling, the GIGABYTE GeForce RTX 5070 Ti utilizes the WindForce cooling system, which is designed to optimize airflow and maintain lower temperatures during intense gaming sessions. On the other hand, the MSI Gaming RTX 5070 Ti features the advanced TORX Fan 5.0 technology, which includes a nickel-plated copper baseplate and core pipes for efficient heat dissipation. Both solutions are engineered for high performance, but their designs cater to different preferences in cooling efficiency. In terms of performance, the GIGABYTE card boasts a clock speed of 2,600 MHz, which is slightly higher than the MSI's 2,497 MHz. This difference may provide a marginal advantage in performance during gaming and rendering tasks. However, both cards are built on the NVIDIA Blackwell architecture and are equipped with 16 GB of GDDR7 memory, ensuring they can handle demanding applications with ease. Price is always a crucial factor when choosing a graphics card. The GIGABYTE GeForce RTX 5070 Ti is priced at $899, while the MSI Gaming RTX 5070 Ti comes in at a more affordable $834. This price difference may influence your decision, especially if you're looking for the best value for your money without compromising on performance. In conclusion, both the GIGABYTE and MSI RTX 5070 Ti graphics cards offer impressive specifications and performance for gamers and professionals alike. The choice between them ultimately depends on your specific needs, whether it's cooling efficiency, clock speed, or budget. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech comparisons.